In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rich text field in Salesforce. Whether you're a Salesforce rookie or a seasoned pro, adding a rich text field can enhance the organization and presentation of your data, allowing for formatted text, images, and hyperlinks within your records. So let's dive right into it and make this process as smooth and easy as possible for you. First things first, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. That's your gateway to all things customization. Click on it and select Setup from the drop-down menu. You might hear the term Advanced Setup tossed around, but don't worry, it's just Salesforce's way of letting you manage your configurations in depth. Once you're in the Setup area, you'll use the Quick Find box. Think of it as your shortcut tool. Type in Object Manager and you should see it pop up. Click on that and you'll see a list of all your objects within Salesforce. Here, you'll need to pick the object you want to add the rich text field to. Whether it's the contact object, account object, or any custom object you've created, just select the one you're looking to enhance. Now let's focus on adding that rich text field. Once you've selected your object, you'll see several options on the sidebar. Click on Fields and Relationships. This is where you define the structure and components of your database. You'll notice a New button here. Click on it to start creating a new field. On the Field Type Selection page, you'd want to scroll down just a bit until you find Rich Text Area. Select that option and click Next. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information about your new field, which includes giving it a proper label and name. Salesforce will auto-generate a name based on the label, but you can customize it if you like. Don't forget to specify the length for your rich text area. This determines how much text you can store in this field. Once you're satisfied with the details you've entered, hit Next. This next step is all about security, which is crucial. You'll need to set field level security, which basically means deciding which profiles can see or edit this field. Consider what makes sense for your organization and make your choices accordingly. After setting the security, you'll also have the option to add this field to all the page layouts you're using so your users can see it in action. Finally, after all these configurations, remember to save your work. A simple save will finalize this addition to your Salesforce object, and voila, you have successfully created a rich text field. Now you're ready to enhance your Salesforce records with more structured and visually appealing text.